Hi friends, welcome back to my physics channel once again. In this short video, we will discuss a small proof regarding the slope of, that is tan theta, for Boyle's law, that is isothermal expansion, as well as adiabatic expansion. Board may show this is a PV graph, that is pressure is inversely proportional to volume at constant temperature, and this is another two graphs which is small curve and this is sharp curve. This adiabatic, this isothermal. Okay na? Now proof ఏంటి మనకి ఆల్రెడీ proof tan theta slope we are writing as dp by dv and that is minus and that is equal to minus p by v for isothermal. అలాగే adiabatic ఏం చేస్తున్నాం gamma times minus gamma times రాస్తున్నాం. Why gamma times? Because it is more steeper. చూడండి curve, this curve is more steeper than isothermal and gamma is always greater than 1, you know, gamma mono greater than dia greater than poly and values కూడా 1.67 greater than 1.4 greater than 1.33 from the formula gamma is equal to 1 plus 2 by f. Okay na? So therefore adiabatic slope is gamma times greater than the slope of the isothermal. ఒకసారి ప్రూఫ్ చూద్దాం. 1 mole of gas equation ఏంటి? PV is equal to nRT whereas n is number of moles. 1 mole తీసుకుంటే PV is equal to RT కదా. Now partial differentiation with UV rule. P delta V or dV, okay, plus V delta P, okay na, is equal to R delta T because temperature ఇక్కడ మనకి constant, okay na. So therefore constant కాబట్టి this becomes 0. So P delta V is equal to minus V delta P, okay na, లేదా delta P by delta V this is also called as dV. ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు, either delta అని రాసుకోవచ్చు లేదా dP by dV, dP by dV, okay na. So I have taken partial derivative, P UV rule, P delta V plus V delta P is equal to R delta T. Delta T అనేది కాన్స్టెంట్ ఐసోథర్మల్ కాబట్టి. సో ఇందులో నుంచి డెల్టా P by డెల్టా V ఎంత? dP by dV is equal to మైనస్ P by V కదా, చెక్ చేసుకోండి. V delta P ఇదిగోండి, V delta P is equal to P delta V. సో ఈ విధంగా మనకి స్లోప్ వచ్చిందనమాట. ఏంటది? dP by dV is equal to minus P by V for isothermal. And for adiabatic మనకి ఎలాగో తెలుసు గామా టైమ్స్ కాబట్టి, బికాస్ గామా ఇస్ గ్రేటర్ దెన్ 1 కాబట్టి గామా ఇంటూ dP by dV. Clear? And these are important in the numerical problems for NEET and EAMCET examination. Okay, right?